one of you, which guys, I'm done with cleaning. Can you imagine? You know, table salt. So what? When I'm going to be Hi honnies, how are ya? Tanya Nishailok here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you are fine, good and safe. It has been almost a week and I've not picked up my camera. That's crazy, you guys. That shows how much I've been busy. But of course, if this is your first time watching my face over here, hi there, I'm Tanya Nishailok. I'm a Ugandan content creator currently based in Entebbe. Do consider subscribing and of course let me know in the comment section below. So you guys, I'm currently just starting off this vlog. I'm just from work. I've just had this amazing haircut, which I wanted to jump over here to show you guys. I feel very nice about it. But of course, I also did pass via how do they call it? Okay, I did pass via a shop, yes, because I wanted some groceries, things of course to use at home and all that. So I'm gonna be showing you those hopefully right now. Bought some bar of soap over here. This was 3,500 Ugandan shillings. You know, table salt or what they call omunyo. I also grabbed some cooking oil over here. This is 1 liter, yes, of fortune buto, eggs, just 6 of them, some chors, just 2 of them. How are you guys? Happy New Year. How are all of you? Yes, I hope every person is fine, good and safe and is having a very wonderful first month of the year. I just wish you success, health and wealth all year long. And I also wanted to show this top. I don't know, I think it's cute. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. But it's a very wonderful t-shirt. It has these amazing brown and black prints which I live for. And the starting month of the year, it was so amazing. I received a very wonderful token from one of you, which I also did enjoy very much. It is going to help me, of course, build my channel and all that other good stuff. But I think I've talked enough. Let's just dive into today's vlog, not so I have a lot of things to be doing today evening, of course. You guys, these are the dishes we're gonna be doing. I also have more of them down here. So yesterday I did make some rice egg situation going on. It was very nice. I forgot to capture that on camera, but let me just get out these things and we start off. I have already finished taking a bath. I don't know even why I started recording when my camera is down here, but I have already finished taking a bath. I'm done with utensils, almost everything. But I wanted to also jump over here to show you this amazing jumper of mine. My mom got me this. I think it's cute, you guys. What do you think in the comment section below? Let me know. By the way, you guys, if you have not watched my recent video where I did discuss how to be a Ugandan YouTuber, go just watch that up here. It will be important for you to boost your YouTube career and all that. But right now I want to just move out, go buy something to eat, because today I'm not cooking, my dear. Nothing, you know. Okay, I feel like I have to make some eggs, do some scrambled eggs, or just do fried eggs, plain ones. I'm gonna be seeing that in a moment. I want to just run out to go to the shops, buy some bread. I also want to eat some ice cream because your boy out here wants to be a little bit young again. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. But you guys, I love this jumper and the blue. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. Yes, let me head out right. You guys, I've just come back from the shops right now. My face is very dry. I have even not applied any moisturizer. The reason why I've not applied any is because it's the last thing I want to do in the night before I sleep. You know, my skincare routine and all that. But I'm back from the shops. This is my ice cream. You guys, it looks very much. I don't know how these guys count this, but I think that this is very big for 1,000 shillings. I also got some chocolates and of course from the shop, and also some bread. I'm gonna be showing you that in a minute from now, but I want for now to just sit down and enjoy my ice cream on my bed. Let me just place you over here. Just ignore my background, guys. You just concentrate on me. So I just want to sit over here and we chat for a little bit, you know. It's the new year, you know, and we have resolutions, we have plans and all that. I want to know about your plans, because I think by now you guys, I tell you everything. I don't know why, but I feel like I want to know, because the reason why I want to know is because you guys, I interact with you a lot, and I think by now, you know, we are very free. We can tell each other's things, because you guys, I always tell you what's happening in my life. I want to know about you, of course. What are you planning for 2020? What are your main goals? What are your main plans? It will be very nice to see all of them, as I also continue to document my life with you guys. I remember yesterday when I did upload the video about rent, you know, the rent in Uganda and the rent for my house. You guys, you had a lot of questions. Of course, I know you had a lot of questions, and I think all those questions were answered. By the way, if you never saw that video, go watch it up here right now. I'm gonna be leaving it up there. But I think I did approach everything very well, and I love the fact that you guys in the comment section below, you did appreciate almost everything. Like, you know, I was really a fan. As I was eating my ice cream, of course, I was catching up with some YouTube videos from some of my you know, best YouTubers, if that makes sense. Currently I'm watching Dimaume over here. I love this vlog very much. I don't know how many times have I seen this, but I really love it. All tea aside, let me start cleaning, because I think currently it's approaching to 9, and remember today I have a video to shoot. But now YouTuber's life not easy. So let me put down this and I start off cleaning. Can I cook first? You guys, let me know in the comment section below. When you are hungry and when you have to clean, what do you do first? Because for me right now, I'm confused. I'm not that hungry, but at least I'm hungry. I want to just make sure that I just cook my food first so that I clean. Another side of me is telling me first clean before you cook. Let me know in the comment section below what you would do if you are in my shoes. So you guys, I'm actually done with cleaning, as you see from my background. So currently I want to just start cooking, because I feel like I'm against time, and today I have to be filming. Like, let it rain or shine. Done with cooking, as you have seen me, but I'm tired. My face is oily like crazy, but at least I'm done with that. I don't know why, but I feel like it takes too long to cook, so I have to re-practice to cook, because I might lose some of my skills. But all jokes aside, you guys, let me grab you in the morning, or let me check in with you in the morning. Right now I just want to enjoy my meal. After enjoying my meal, I'm gonna be watching some videos, by the way, as I enjoy my meal. Then on top of that, I have to be filming, as I told you, and yes, head to bed. So let me grab you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. By the way, I've already woke up. Don't think that I'm still in bed, but I already woke up. I've just put some tea on the gas cooker. I want to just do my skincare routine right now. Yesterday I slept very, very late. Very, very late, like almost 3. I think, yeah, almost 3 a.m. in the morning. It's very, very bright over here. How is everyone? So currently I'm just done with everything. At least I'm wearing this amazing green t-shirt I did get from a winner recently. I love it very, very much, but that's not the main reason why I came over here, of course. Today I'm supposed to be, exponenting my program. I'm supposed to be going to the rent office, the agent, to pay rent for this month. Also, I'm supposed to clean these amazing brushes, so I'm gonna go with them. Hopefully I'll be updating you. And another thing, I did start intermittent fasting, the 16-8 program. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. The main reason is not to lose weight, but to reduce on my anxiety and reduce also on the blood sugar levels, of course, if that makes sense. I did my research, baby. I did my research. So I think let's get out. Yes, I think so. Let's get out, you guys. I feel like a hero. Good morning, guys. Welcome back again to my channel. It's actually, I think, the 3rd day, or yeah, I think it's almost the 3rd day since the last clips. You guys, I get very, very busy, and even I don't have time to pick up the camera. But yes, we shall do it always when I have. Also, guys, I have lost every tripod I have in this house. The remaining tripod is this one, which is holding my phone. Let me show you quickly what I mean, you guys. So these are all of my tripods. This one broke, I think, 3 months ago, almost 3 months ago, when I was coming to Entebbe. This one broke almost 5 months ago. But the reason with this one is that the nail that the screw is supposed to go on, it got lost, So this one, finally, it has also broken. I need to go to town one of these days, guys. I have the money. I never told you this, but there is one of my amazing subscribers one of these days that sent me another huge amount of money to support my channel. So for that money in particular, I'm gonna be only buying tripods because I've run out. Thank you very much, by the way, if you are watching this. I love you very, very much. I feel like a hero. I feel like a hero. Bed laid, feeling the vibes. The next thing, by the way, you guys, I don't know if the other time I did tell you, but I'm intermittent fasting. So the reason why I'm keeping my tea in this bottle over here, I'm taking it to work. Baby Shan down there, I'm taking it to work. I'll be eating at around 12 or something like that. Yes. So what else am I supposed to be doing? I'm going to just tidy up in 1 to 3 seconds and we move out. By the way, always when my house is clean, even I don't cringe to come back in the evening. Oh my god, I'm happy to come back in the evening, but I'm done. Before I actually move out, I want to quickly show you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this amazing t-shirt over here. This is the t-shirt I did get from a winner the other day. I love this very, very much. Okay, it has concentrated. I love this very, very much. The cotton, the flexibility and all that. These are the pants I'm wearing currently. Yes, they don't look to be ironed, but they're ironed. But this material, so I've just left them. They were initially very, very big pants, by the way. Like very, very big. But since my mother is a tailor, mutunzi, like so I had to deal with them. Let's move out right now. I'll be updating you throughout the whole day. Hopefully, I want to take you with me when I'm going to be paying my house rent for January, right? Not right now, but later on throughout the whole day, because I'm going to go with the money today. So you guys, I'm finally back home. Yes, I'm finally back home. It has been a very long day, but I want to thank you very much for watching the vlog. That's if you are still watching. Make sure that you tune in for the next vlog, because it's going to be just like a continuation. I want them to be like, a flow, So currently, I'm starting off another vlog immediately after I end this. I'm going to be washing my clothing. I'm starting doing my laundry at night because I don't have time. So let me meet you in the next vlog. Don't forget to check out all other vlogs I've been doing throughout my life in Entebbe. Also subscribe, like, comment. Bye for now.